We want to help you understand why an MOT is important and what happens during an MOT. When a vehicle reaches 3 years old, it is a legal requirement to get an annual MOT test. The MOT assesses if your vehicle meets the minimum safety, legal and environmental standards set out by the Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency, DVSA, at the time of the test. It's illegal to drive a car without a current MOT certificate, and if it's expired, your car insurance will be invalid. Our AA trusted technicians will put your vehicle through its paces by checking through a list of vehicle elements inside, outside, and under the bonnet. For example, during the test, we'll inspect the operation of all your vehicle lights, from headlights, brake and reverse lights, indicators, and even the small lights above your vehicle registration plates. Ensuring the driver has a clear line of vision is key, so wipers and washers will be checked, as well as any cracks or chips in the windscreen. Brakes will be tested for corrosion, wear or fluid leaks, and we'll make sure there is even braking across all 4 wheels. Steering and suspension elements will be inspected for wear, damage or leaks. The engine and transmission are inspected for any fluid leaks, as well as testing more complex elements such as emissions, valves and sensors. The vehicle body and frame is checked by taking it up on the ramp. The exhaust is checked for condition, and the gases it gives out will be sampled to ensure the chemicals released don't exceed the permitted emission levels. Your tyre's tread depth will be inspected to make sure it is more than the minimum of 1.6 mm, as well as an overall inspection for any damage. Safety elements like airbags and seatbelts are checked to ensure they work correctly. Typically, an MOT test takes between 45 to 60 minutes. If your vehicle passes its MOT inspection, an official VT20 pass certificate is issued. Some minor defects or advisories could be recorded on the certificate and will need repairing as soon as possible. Our AA-approved garages have qualified technicians to put different parts of your vehicle through their paces to make sure they're up to scratch. We'll offer you a guaranteed MOT price, and if additional work is needed to pass your MOT, we'll make sure you approve the cost before the work is carried out. To find your local AA-approved garage and select an MOT appointment to suit you, simply go to the aa.com/carcaremot advice.